Yes. What is up, everybody? This is Kundai, and welcome back to this channel. If this is your first time to be here, don't forget to subscribe and also click the notifications bell icon so that every time you upload my videos, you will be the first one to be notified. Right, nasi ndine nyaya ndinayo ndiye song inonzi ndinonzwa mazwi. Song iyi ndasangana nayo after paita a link randasenderwa na someone, and the song is new and the song is something else. I can tell you what I would do is I'm gonna play you this song so that you can hear it. But Bananza in instructions, this is the original song. It is the original song. Yes, song inonzi ndinonzwa mazwi yatinoziva yakaimbwa namukoma kuda kwashe kuda mutsvene. And I've been hearing some allegations that the song inonzi ndinonzwa mazwi yakuda mutsvene, it was actually the remix yakatanga. It's like it's like this guy is the one who composed that song. Those are the allegations, and I was like, what? When I was after maybe 2 years or so after song Buddha, why would he do that? But that's not more information. Ndazosangana mangoma websites andasangana nawo ano streamer music. Pasong ya kuda mutsvene ndaona pane pangu pakanzi performed by kuda mutsvene, apanzi composed by blessing something. Then vanatanga kutsvaka kuti blessing iyeyo ndi blessing, but azorealize that blessing iye ndiye uyu blessing uyu anonzi blessing Jeduthan. So I don't know kuti kuzonyorwa kwayakaitwa kunzi composed by blessing inyaya kuti vakanga vataurirana here kuti mukoma kuda anoziziva here kana kuti mukoma kuda vakatora song here isinga iri yemunhu here kana kuti chii. I'm not sure what really happened ipapo, but as usual panapa what we are going to do is we are going to make sure kuti we try to find mukoma kuda so that he can tell us kuti chii chakanyatsoitika pasong iyoyi, and also we will try to find this guy. His name is Blessing Jeduthan. He has got a YouTube channel yakanzi Blessing Jeduthan Official. And so what we will do is we will try to find Nkoma Blessing Jeduthan Official so that we can talk to him and he can tell us his story. And as I was also doing the research, I realized that Nkoma Jeduthan Blessing wakatomboina yanzi Star Bright. I don't know what ichiri kuitwa here, but pale inonzi Star Bright. So this guy is a star, but I don't know why is that vakazonyarara kana kuti chii kana chii. And you know what, guys? It's not the first time yatanzwa ma stars kana ma musicians, ma big musicians achinzi akatora ma songs evanhu. But what I'm trying to say now is I'm not trying to say kuti Mr. Kuda Mutsvene vakatora song ya Mr. Blessing Jeduthan. But what I'm saying is these are the allegations that are being said by some of the information that I was getting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play this song for you. Mova Manzo, what he says, or like the way he sings it, because it's the original song. And I saw the brand new single, brand new single, and brand new single, Yakato Urizwa, I think Nezuro or something like that. So it's actually a brand new. So I was thinking, is it a remix or something? But that was realized was Zutu and Spanto Nenya, Zagatika, Pakatipa Blessing, na Mkoma Kuda. But I'm not saying there's bad blood between them. But since I don't know, but what I will do is I will ask them, which is right together. It's not the first time, like I said, kunzoma musicians achidaro ndakambonzwa chinzi pane song yaWinky D inonzi like some allegations that were coming out after abudisa album rake riyari. Hanzi pane song inonzi Chandelier iri kana kuti Shamina mamwe songs hanzi akatora beat rangu. Pane mumwe akabuda achiti akatora beat rangu, akabuda achiti akatora song yangu. So it has happened and it will usually happen. But we also know kuti zvinoitika kuti mamusicians vanogona kunyorerana masong kana kutengeserana masong. So so far I'm not saying anything about this song. It's a hit. So if this guy is written this song, it means he has written a hit before. So what I will say now is go and check out his channel, Blessing Jeduthan Official. I'll put a link down below so that you go and check out Wega onzo music yake onzo ati is music yemunhu akamborova hit. But from the way I heard it, I heard his music, I could listen to his music. And kunyebere panobatwa basa ini gospel music handingotauri nezvayo ndongamunoziva ina handingoimbe nezvayo kana kuti but kana ndazoconvincika kuti parova basa panenge parova basa mutara pane parova basa asina kunyebera. So I'm going to play this song for you. I think I just want to try as much as I can to make sure that hatinyanyise kurebesa. So let's do this. Kana uchidzidzisa zvepamweya. Kana uchidzidzisa zvepamweya. Izvi. Voice like it. It's annoying. Without fear or faith. So, I'm not going to finish this song, but if you understand spiritual language, spiritual things, I can assure you that this song is something else. This song is something else. So, what you need to do is go and check out his channel, Blessing Jeduthan. Blessing Jeduthan Official. I'll put a link down below so that you can go and watch it and watch his music and listen to his music and watch his videos. You will come back and tell me what you think. But as I said, I'm going to try to find him so that we can have him here, so that he can tell us more about the allegations that came. So I will see you in the next video.